we have another example on the board. The very first thing which I'm going to do, I'm going to rewrite this problem. So let's take a look what we have over here. We have y is equal 1 over 1.25 x squared plus 1 over 2.37 x cubed. I made this just to make sure that some of you are going to see the difference between the constant, right, and the variable, okay, constant and the variable. Next, we are going to use the formula for the derivative of a sum, and later we are going to use the formula for the derivative of a constant times the power of x. So we have dy over dx equals the derivative of 1 over 1.25 x squared plus 1 over 2.37 x cubed. Okay, I always keep writing that because it will make you remember, okay, the steps. So next we're supposed to simply write that this is the derivative of 1 and 1.25 x squared plus the derivative respect to x 1 over 2.37 x cubed. Okay, so this is equal, this is my constant, so if 1 over 1.25 times the exponent to x and exponent minus 1, 2 minus 1, plus constant comes down, so I have 1 over 2.37 times 3, and I have x 3 minus 1. Okay, so this is equal 2 times my fraction is 2, and I have x 2 minus 1, so it's going to be x to the first. I'm not going to write, I'm going to keep it invisible, over 1.25 plus I have 3 times fractions, so I have 3 over 2.37 x, and I have 3 minus 1 is equal 2. Okay, so this is the solution to my problem.